And we begin tonight with that breaking news. The NFL postponed 3 games due to a surge in cases among players.
Tomorrow night's sold-out Colts game against the Patriots is still on at Lucas Oil. Here are the few changes, though. Las Vegas at Cleveland is moved from Saturday to Monday. Seattle at the LA Rams and Washington at Philly from Sunday to Tuesday. The league had to reschedule 15 games last season. And according to the NFL, the changes were based on the recent developments with the Omicron strain. The league previously did not plan to move any games due to the outbreaks.
That leaves one NFL game for tomorrow, and it's right here in Indianapolis. The Colts versus the Patriots at Lucas Oil Stadium. Wish TV reporter Garrett Bergquist found out why public health officials are in wait-and-see mode.
Saturday's Colts game is sold out, so organizers say there could be 60,000 people in the stands. Marion County Health Department Director Dr. Virginia Kane says COVID hospitalizations in Indiana are close to a record. But the overall case count is half that of what it was last year, so she's not quite ready to impose a mask mandate. She says it's on all of us to keep it that way.
We can't do nothing about tomorrow, but we can definitely do something about the national championship or follow-up football games is get vaccinated. That is the #1 most critical tool. Plus getting your booster shot that makes a huge difference.
Officials at Lucas Oil Stadium say they'll continue to follow Marion County's guidelines. Saturday also brings the Crossroads Classic at the Gainbridge Fieldhouse. Officials there say any COVID rules are up to the health department and to individual event organizers.
We continue to follow Marion County Health Department and CDC guidelines, which is recommended masks indoors, regardless of vaccination status. And then, of course, each individual promoter or artist or event, or in this case, in the case of the Crossroads, the individual schools, could have their own requirements that they layer on top. And so then our staff works to accommodate those as well.
The public health guidance here in Marion County hasn't changed. Officials say you're not required to wear a mask inside for a large event, but they strongly encourage you to do so even if you've already received a COVID-19 vaccine. At the Gainbridge Fieldhouse, Garrett Bergquist, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Indiana reports more than 3,000 Hoosiers hospitalized with the virus. The state's largest healthcare system accounts for 518 of those statewide. IU Health says that's an all-time high, and a majority of patients are in the ICU. It says the demand and strain on its healthcare workers has never been greater. Now, the National Guard members were asked to help the staff at 13 of IU Health's 16 hospitals tonight. Troops will be deployed to 2 more hospitals next week. Eskenazi Health, St. Vincent, and Community Health Network are also dealing with disturbing numbers. News 8's Camila Fernandez spoke with hospital leaders about the overwhelming surge.
I spoke with several different hospitals today, and they cannot stress enough the importance of getting vaccinated. At Eskenazi Hospital, I'm told more than 90% of their COVID-19 patients are unvaccinated.
There hasn't been the break and the time off that we're used to need.
According to intensive care physician at Eskenazi Health, Dr. Graham Carlos, the hospital has around 333 beds, and they're treating more than 50 COVID-19 patients.
We're simply, like many hospitals, out of beds. We have people that are in the emergency department that are admitted that need care in the hospital. We have to wait for others to be discharged so they can be moved up to get in.
St. Vincent Hospital tells me they're also facing some challenges. In November, they treated a total of 824 COVID-19 patients, and so far for December, they've had a total of 851 COVID-19 patients so far, and the month is only half over.
It is overwhelming. Again, we've been dealing with this for, coming up on a couple of years already, and we've seen different waves and spikes, and it's hard when you're in the middle of a wave.
Doctors tell me the best way to protect yourself and others from COVID-19 infection is still to get vaccinated. Reporting in Indianapolis, Camila Fernandez, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Camila, thank you. Students exposed to COVID-19 can stay in the classroom if they test negative. That's part of the CDC's new strategy released today. It's called Test to Stay. The CDC says testing will need to be done at least twice during the 7-day period after exposure. Before, if someone in a school tests positive, those deemed close contacts had to quarantine for 10 days. The CDC says the test to stay approach only works if masks are worn consistently and correctly. The agency plans to update its guidance to help schools and parents implement the new strategy.